He just stole her bone. Her stick, whatever it was. Come here, Liv. Come here, Livy. We're all chewing on sticks. Come here. All right. It's all bluff. It's all bluff. Oh, this is interesting. Leah's over there trying to get my chickens. What a sweet kitty. Hello, kitty. Leah. I don't know if she'll jump that or not. I patched up the hole in the fence. She's such a sweet kitty. Let's eat sticks. It's like a gnat. Oh great, Leah came over. I missed that. She just wants to be involved. She doesn't chase chickens. Well, I lied. Oh boy. She's not gonna hurt him though. What are you doing, Leah? You chased them away. Look at them, they all ran away. You just want to play, don't you? Yes. Yes, Leah, what are you doing? You just chased all the chickens away. Look out, you guys, here she comes. She thinks she's a stalker. Olivia hasn't seen her yet. All Leah wants probably is to get into the chicken coop, like she always does. Hey, sweet kitty. What? Hi. What? I know. Whoa. Come on, Leah. Come on. That's where she's gonna go. Right up there. Because she's nosy. Yay, baby doll. Great background music. Peaceable Kingdom, huh? Olivia hasn't seen you yet. Oh, brave kids, aren't you? Oh, does that feel good? Oh, you're rubbing it. I'll just get off me, fly. She just wants attention.